Welcome students. Today in this session we are gathered here to have a short trip to memorize periodic trends. What are these periodic properties? Actually, the properties of the element which are directly or indirectly related to their electronic configuration, and hence they show a regular gradation as we move across a period or as we move down the group. Periodic properties, some important periodic properties are our atomic size, metallic character, ionization potential or ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, and hence many such properties are there which either increase or decrease in periods or group. Now the question is, what is this period? Period is that group column which moves from left to right. They are 7 in numbers. And what about groups? Groups are the vertical columns. Vertical columns means when we are moving from top to bottom. Vertical columns. Or we can say groups are those which are moving from top to bottom. They are 18 in numbers. 18. See, among these 7 periods, the 7th is the largest, and the 6th period, not largest, 6th and 7th is the longest period, while the shortest period is period number 1. Okay, so now let's start with the periodic trends in periods. In periodic trends, when we move across left to right, certain properties are such which increases on moving left to right. They are acidity of oxides, acidity of hydroxides, electronegativity, electron affinity, ionization energy. इसको कुछ बुक्स में आयनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल भी कहा गया है, तो इसको शॉर्ट में हम IE या IP कहते हैं. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग नेचर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, वैलेंसी एंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ऑक्सी एसिड. These are the properties which increases from left to right. Now how to memorize it? See here, this is your A, then A, E, I, O, U. I think you may be familiar with this vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So instead of writing I, you are having here A, E, then this is here I, O. Instead of U, here we are having V, and then last is S. So A, E, I, O, V, S. Just write this vowels. You can learn vowels. What is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. This is your vowels. Now similarly, some trends are there which decreases. What are those trends? What are those properties? Atomic radius, ionic radius, metallic character, and reducing nature. What it is? How to memorize it? A, then I, M, R. AIMS. How to memorize it? AIMS hospital है ना? By this you can memorize it. Okay. Then last is some properties are such which first increases and then decreases, and these are your AI. There is no such term. to learn this AI. These small things we can learn. Now see some property in short. Vowel. Vowel are those which increases, aims, decreases and AI first increase and then decreases. तो इससे क्या होगा? Now see, अब क्वेश्चन में MCQ, अब आप क्लास 10th 12th किसी में भी हैं, सेमेस्टर फर्स्ट के अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव टू डू सम वी हैव टू सॉल्व MCQs. Not these trends is not only useful in semester 1 or semester 2, but this is also useful in your competitive exam. अक्सर ये बेटा क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. पीरियोडिक ट्रेंड्स, पीरियड्स में क्या है, दिस इज़ बेसिकली ऑफ पीरियड, जस्ट इसका रिवर्स होता है ग्रुप्स में. तो यदि हमने पीरियड्स के याद कर लिए, सो ग्रुप वी कैन डू. आई होप you have understood it well. Na? Thank you for watching it. In our next video, again we will be here with some important and short tricks. Thank you.